Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 20th, and this is my video for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, linked at the end of this video down here in the corner. Don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to all these benefits listed below and more. And obviously, don't forget that I do a live stream every weekday at 6 p.m. GMT time on YouTube. So anyways, the Aussie dollar is going down pretty strong, as you can see. I mean, I would kind of look at this and say maybe this is one, two, three waves down, one, two, three waves up, and this is either an expanding or a running ABC correction. And if it is a running, then it would make a higher low relative to this high back here. So keep an eye on your fib levels. If you do get like a double bottom at a fib level with a nice engulfing move up, then definitely take it as a long. So definitely be aware of that. But also be aware that it could turn into more of an expanding ABC correction like this, which means that it would potentially just keep on going down, maybe down to one of these lower fib levels like the 123 or the 138, and then end up continuing the uptrend for like more of an expanding ABC correction. The higher time frames, as you can see, if we go up to the daily time frame, is definitely still, within this channel, and I still think eventually it is going to definitely end up trending up. But we are pretty obviously going down right now, but I do assume that this move down is probably part of a correction to the uptrend that potentially is going to happen on the higher time frames. We also have a channel line right here too, so a channel on the daily time frame. So keep an eye on that channel line also. If it goes down, to the structure or down to one of these two lower fib levels, makes that double bottom break a structure and golfy move up, then I would definitely take it as a long opportunity. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.